Statistics suggest that spousal assaults and other forms of domestic violence are on the decline. However, it remains such an ongoing concern that domestic abuse cases in Edmonton have their own designated courtroom. Assistant Chief Crown Prosecutor Alison Downey D'Amato is the head of a special Alberta Justice Unit focusing on domestic crime.
So the Family Protection Unit handles any files that relate to domestic violence, which is now called intimate partner violence, and that can be spouses, common law partners, whether they're estranged or still together, whether they've had kids together or not. We also deal with any kind of child abuse files, and that can also include neglect. The most common charges you're going to see in the family protection docket is assaults. You also commonly see sexual assaults. You may see breach charges, meaning that someone has been released on one of these types of offenses but has breached by having contact or going back to the home where they're not supposed to go. One of the reasons that we feel so strongly about prosecuting family violence, particularly domestic violence, is protecting children. They often don't have a choice about living in that home or who they live with. We do have to recognize, and this is probably the most difficult part of my job, is recognizing when the file or the abuse has gotten so bad and this person can no longer protect themselves, that we have to step in and take over the file regardless of their wishes. It's also very rewarding for me when I get a conviction, if it's the proper thing that should be done, to get a conviction and knowing that I've protected a family that needed protection that maybe wasn't able to do it on their own.
For Sun News, I'm Tony Blay.